Hi, it's Dwyer, DwyerVIP.com, GamblersAdvisory.com. Remember, the opinion you should follow should be your own. Just consider this video to be a second opinion from a complete stranger online. For legal reasons, let me state that this video is being made for entertainment purposes only. December 4th, 2012, I believe there is a severe casino mispricing that you don't see every day. It's in the NBA. I like the Houston Rockets receiving 2 points at home against the Los Angeles Lakers. Folks, the Rockets in their last 5 games have only lost to the Oklahoma City Thunder in Oklahoma City. They've taken care of business otherwise. Compare and contrast that with the Lakers, who, quite frankly, in their last match at home, lost to the Orlando Magic in a game in which they were outscored by 14 points in the fourth quarter. Kobe Bryant now is criticizing teammates in the media. The team is not on the same page, and quite frankly, I'm not sure if they're as good as the Houston Rockets when they are. I like the Rockets receiving 2 points against the visiting Los Angeles Lakers on December 4th, 2012. Thanks for watching and good luck. We hope you stop by with us after the game. Thanks.